Okay, guys, this my tree from these two so far. This is the first tree. This one, two, three. You get 1, 2, and 3. That's what they name. 1, 2, and 3. Until we can do the rest. So that's 3 of them there. And then we got these bad boys in here. Then you got 3 more eggs. As you can see, guys. And these are the parents. Blueberry.
And baby.
And baby. Come on.
They're crying. They're ready to go. Aww. Goodbye, angels.
This one.
Goodbye. Goodbye, little angel. Goodbye. She gotta go back. That's why she gotta go back on it to hatch the rest.
Okay. That's 2. Min.
Wow.
3.
One of them look like they poop in my ass. Anyway.
Are you wiping on your face?
You see that egg?
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Anyway, that's good luck.
Here they are. Three babies and 3 eggs.
You think they can hatch?
Now, it would have been good if I could have found one plexiglass to rest, and then you'd open the wipe and water come into them.
Just hold it and stay there. She need to fly out. Hold it and stay there. Put the light on the phone.
This shit got to close.
Put the light on the phone.
Get the thing up.
What?
Scissors. So I can move the fucking cardboard with.
Put the light on the phone. Just let them see it coming in.
Knife right here on the side. This way. Right there. Okay. Bring your phone so you can use the light from your phone.
That's my phone.
Over. And then that's the other light. It's red.
That have light out, see?
The light in the window. I get it.
I think you gotta turn it on.
Put your hand in here so you get the feet on.
She gone? She gone? She gone, Ali?
Yeah.
She ain't gone. She there.
Yeah.
Stop making noise, Blueberry.
I'm Blueberry.
That's right.
Yeah.
She running for messing with her babies.
Blueberry, only girl outside. Alright guys, it seems like we're gonna have 6 chicks. Hopefully. Thank God. We have 3 so far. It's party time. With Aquariums and Ponds by Alfred. Have a great day. Bye.